Hello, curious minds. Today, we embark on an incredible journey across the vast stretches of time, from the birth of our universe to the bustling world we inhabit today. Our journey begins almost 14 billion years ago with the Big Bang. This colossal explosion of energy marks the birth of our universe. From this fiery cataclysm, all matter and energy, space and time, galaxies and stars emerged, expanding and evolving over the eons. Within this expanding cosmos, nestled in a corner of the Milky Way galaxy, a nebulous cloud of dust and gas began to collapse approximately 4.6 billion years ago. This cosmic swirl set the stage for the birth of our solar system. At its heart, the sun ignited, its heat and light shaping the destiny of the fledgling planets. Among these celestial bodies was our Earth, born from the accretion of cosmic debris and dust, molten and volatile in its early days. As centuries rolled into millennia, the early Earth began to cool. Its fiery surface hardened into a crust, punctuated by violent volcanic eruptions. These eruptions released water vapor into the atmosphere, which eventually condensed and fell as torrential rains. Over millennia, these rains pooled into Earth's first oceans, their depths concealing the early stirrings of life. The first chapters of life's story on Earth were humble ones, unfolding around 3.5 billion years ago in the primordial oceans. Simple, single-celled organisms, known as prokaryotes, emerged, marking the genesis of life. These early life forms were not idle, however. Through their metabolic activities, they transformed the Earth's atmosphere, paving the way for the advent of more complex life forms. Over hundreds of millions of years, prokaryotes gave rise to more complex cells, the eukaryotes, and these eukaryotic cells heralded a new era of life on Earth. The leap from unicellular to multicellular life took place around 600 million years ago, setting the stage for an explosion of life's diversity. This explosion, known as the Cambrian explosion, saw the emergence of a wide array of multicellular organisms. The blueprint of life became increasingly complex. Plants colonized the land, transforming it into a fertile green, while invertebrates and later vertebrates claimed the oceans. Fish evolved, their gills adept at extracting oxygen from water. But the oceans could not contain life's ambition for long. The first pioneers of the land were fish, which evolved limb-like fins, enabling them to venture onto the muddy shores of the ancient world. These early explorers, the amphibians, set the stage for the evolution of more terrestrial adapted creatures, the reptiles. These cold-blooded creatures, unfettered by the need to return to water for reproduction, flourished in the diverse habitats of the late Paleozoic era. The world stage was then set for the dramatic entrance of the dinosaurs, a group of reptiles that would dominate the Earth for over 180 million years. Dinosaurs, in their myriad forms, roamed the land, soared the skies, and swam in the oceans. It was a time of giants and lush vegetation, a testament to life's resilience and creativity. However, life on Earth has never been a steady, unchanging tale. It is punctuated by calamities, and the reign of the dinosaurs ended with one such catastrophe around 66 million years ago. The most likely suspect for this mass extinction is a colossal asteroid impact, its devastating consequences darkening the skies and chilling the Earth, leading to the demise of the dinosaurs. This catastrophe spelled disaster for the dinosaurs, but it opened up opportunities for another group of animals, the mammals. These once small, nocturnal creatures now had the chance to expand and evolve. Mammals capitalized on this opportunity, diversifying into a plethora of forms and colonizing the land, sea, and air. Among these flourishing mammals, a group called primates evolved, characterized by their larger brains and reliance on vision. The evolutionary journey from the early primates to us, the Homo sapiens, is a story of trials, errors, and successes. The earliest hominids ventured onto two legs around 7 million years ago, marking a significant shift in our evolutionary trajectory. Over millennia, various hominid species, including the famed Homo erectus and Neanderthals, emerged and disappeared, ultimately leading to us, the Homo sapiens. Our species, Homo sapiens, appeared around 300,000 years ago. Possessing a unique combination of a large brain, complex language, and the ability to manipulate objects precisely, we started to mold the world around us. We formed communities, hunted in groups, discovered fire, and, most importantly, we told stories. As our knowledge and tools grew, we transitioned from a nomadic lifestyle to a settled one, marking the dawn of civilization around 10,000 years ago. We learned to farm, transforming wild grasses into wheat and barley, and domesticated wild animals. These advances led to the formation of villages, which grew into cities, and eventually states and empires. The journey from the first civilizations to the present day is a whirlwind tour through the rise and fall of empires, the discovery of new lands, the revolutions that transformed societies, and the innovation of technologies that shrunk the world. Today, we stand at a unique point in this journey. Our actions have altered the Earth more than any species before, leading to unprecedented challenges, climate change, the loss of biodiversity, and environmental degradation. We stand at a critical juncture in our planet's history, where our decisions will shape not only our future but that of the millions of species we share this Earth with. The story of the Earth and its life is one of resilience, of repeated transformations, and of breathtaking adaptation. As we look towards the future, we need to remember our humble beginnings, appreciate the vast journey we have embarked upon, and strive to ensure that this journey can continue for generations yet unborn. Thank you for joining me on this remarkable journey. I hope it instills in you a sense of wonder for our extraordinary planet and the incredible tapestry of life it supports. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, we are but a small part of a much larger, grander story.